Hey, I'm Fish. How's everybody doing out there on this wonderful wet day? It's wet for me, not for you. But some days are wet, some days are dry. I got just an oil change to go. Let me see if I could pull up the information. How much oil? I'm hitting the right buttons. Here we go. Maintenance. I got 15%. That's going to be the dead of winter. I always hold my camera in hand as a dash cam. And that last one I did, man, it kept on rebooting. I finally get it to go on. It looked like a nice dash cam. Today I'm going to get 6 garlic, 6 everything, and 6 pumpernickel if they have. Oh yeah. Did you get yours? Oh yeah. Every time they come here and they set up. When the sign's lit, that means they got bagels. The sign's not lit. We're backing up. Backing up. I can't see in the rain anymore. I don't love the rain. Can I do it in one move? I'm in. I set up for respect. I take a look. I continue to watch some of the videos. And man, this one person, oh yeah, double thumbs up, baby. You did a great job. Called out a number of people and he didn't mention the person's name, and I knew who he was talking about, and he respects that person and his work, and we all do. Chris meets Chris. Great guy. But you got a DJI Action 6. Why can't you just basically show the camera as is? Video footage. Put your LUTs to the side for one day. Just show that camera what it's supposed to be. And you see how many more people would love that footage. But yet, he puts his Phantom LUTs on, which I like, I don't love, and it gives it that retro look. Ace Pro 2 can do that, give a retro look, but the retro look he puts on, I don't know if he wants to be like Kodak film because he's got Kodak stuff. And, I mean, sometimes his face, background, there's areas that, to me, I don't love. Maybe it's my monitor. And maybe it's just too much. But that's his style, not mine. And we have to respect it. And he does a great talk, a great walk. But I get seasick sometimes. It is what it is, man. I don't shake my camera. I don't grab my camera and do one of these and then put it back down and continue my talk. I know it gets you sick. No remote control today. No hand gesture today. Got to be hand over the lens to block. Or just simply walk around, come around. Let's go. Bagels to put out. Let's go get our bagels. Alright, I got my bagels. 18 for 16. That's a pretty good price for bagels today. And eventually they'll go up to 17, 18. The pizza shop. Grandma's Pie. Don't want to know the price. They increased it out of nowhere, $4 additional. Like I said, you don't want to know the price. Minimum $32 or so. I use Wondershare Filmora 15, and there is planar tracking. You can only grab each of these corners and you could place it on it. You can't grab 8 corners. You have to pay additional to do that particular feature. It's in the photo. And I hardly ever use it. Filmora 15, I'm going to get a perpetual lifetime. And then you put motion tracking on it. And then I could say, hey, look at this, the fish, man. He's got the truck there. Oh yeah, but the problem is, only works on good cameras, not action cameras. I got a bus riding along with me in the wrong lane, no less. So is he gonna pull on over? Who's gonna give first? I'm waiting for Anti-Pretzels, Carvel, and Cinnabon. They're hiring. Am I invisible? Was I missed? The store don't got lights, but they got the delivery going. Oh, they took the delivery sign on the side. We had a good talk, a good short vlog. Wet day, bagel day. Off I go. Time to go meet up with Joe, take care of that